Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to calculate the lot sizes for many different indices like the US30, NAS100, it doesn't even matter. We have the perfect tool for this. And why is it important to calculate your lots? Well, in order for your equity curve to go from this to this, you have to keep your risk consistent. Keeping your risk consistent will allow your account to grow. So instead of you having to use spreadsheets and other external resources to calculate your lots, let me show you the fastest method right here on your MT5 platform. So first I'm going to load our market keys trade manager to our chart, and then I'm just going to put a stop loss here, let's say 20 pips and a risk of 5%, and then hit calculate, and you can see it automatically calculates our lot size for us. So we have a lot size of 5.2 lots, and if I hit buy, then you'll see this graphical representation here on the chart, and you can also adjust the stop loss and the target, and also adjust the risk to reward ratio as well. And in addition to this execute tab here, we also have a manage tab to manage your trades, a stats tab to keep track of your progress, and a secure tab that will protect you from over trading. And so to get this amazing trade manager, you can click on the link in the description. Thanks for watching and happy trading.